See here, exercise number 5.1, third problem. Consider two postulates given below. Given any two distinct points A and B, there exists a third point C which is between A and B. Second one is given, there exist at least 3 points that are not on the same line. Do these postulates contain an undefined terms? Yes, both the postulates they contain undefined terms. What are they? First is under undefined terms like point and line. Point, line, they are the undefined terms. Second पूछ रहे हैं, are these postulates consistent? Yes, these postulates are consistent. Third one, it is asked, do they follow any Euclid's postulates? Yes, they are following the Euclid's postulate axiom 5.1. Fourth problem, if the point C lies between 2 points A and B, C is the point which lies between A and B. Then we have to prove that AC is equal to half AB. This we have to prove. Explain with the drawing. So what is given here? Given is AC is equal to AB. AC is equal to BC. Okay. Now what we will be doing? Adding AC on both the sides. Adding AC on both the sides. Okay. Axiom 2 of Euclid. Axiom 2 of Euclid is equals added to equals. Equals added to equals. Okay, AC is equal to BC we have. AC plus AC is equal to BC plus AC. AC plus AC is equal to 2AC is equal to BC plus, now this is BC. BC and AC. BC plus AC is equal to AB. BC plus AB is equal to, so AC is equal to, now if 2 comes, now we can write it as 1AB. So 2AC is equal to 1AB. AC is equal to, A2 यहाँ आए तो half AB. That's what we have to prove. AC is equal to half AB. Then fifth problem is that in question number 4, point C is called the, now this is the, if you take this problem, C is the midpoint. We have to prove that a line has one and only one point, one midpoint. Supposing according to that, now this is the first figure of fourth one. Okay, first point is that C lies between A and B. Second is that C is at equidistant, मतलब C A से और B से equidistant में है, equidistant from A and B. Okay. So supposing C, if any other point, let D be the other point other than C. Okay, now if then in such case according to question number 4, already we have got AC is equal to half BC. Okay, now in place of C, if you take D, we will be getting AD is equal to half AB. Okay, AC also half AB, and this is the first one, this is the second one. So from both AD is equal to half AD and AC is equal to half AB. Okay, from that we will be finding out, we will be getting that D is equal to your C. That means a line segment has, because we have proved that AD is equal to half AB, AC is equal to half AB. Matlab D is equal to C. So the line segment has one and only one midpoint. One and only one midpoint.